it's not just who in the streets, who you work with, and I protect criminal. And some of them decide to be criminal against you as well. You never know. I mean, I tell you, sir, before me left the work, yeah, clean up everything.
I hear what you are saying. So you are going to do what you have to do, but guess what? Stay under the coverage of the force. Don't make them force you out, because with you there, we shall be a force to be reckoned with. I want you groom the new crop of law enforcers. We have a whole our brand order. Come and bust your brain. We will get it done. Come with Harvard. Run. And you name something. Yeah, bro. I agree with you, dog.
Brother, remember some is a man always I lift up my community, you know. But it's more while, brother, we have to eliminate every threat before we move forward.
Remember we motto that in our code that in our brother, we deal with the problem then in front of it, and then we deal with anything we forward after that, you see me? But you see another one here, brother, we have to be more strategic, brother. You see what I say? Remember say we're under prevents from the politician boy them. And them boy they will use anything, and we say anything at all just to shut me down, brother. So I don't like say I just some little police, some little leader boy we are dealing with some big top gun. So we have to know what we are doing, see me? Yeah man, so we have to deal with that one a little different, my brother.
You know him style, man. But him a number one for my pre-ments list.
Yeah, brother. And that me I tell you that, brother, and when me land, me just a put everything together. Me just a find out, say, yo, when them say the police boy get hold on pan, time let out a prisoner.
Oh, you know, so me I hear the little argument the fam, where police let out the man and them lock him up.
Well, what you pray now is a police boy will work for the minister.
What you tell me, say? The police will work for him. Let out the boy.
Yeah, brother. And that me just a put everything together, dog. I will dog a joke. And you know which prisoner get let out? Skilly. I mean I talk Skilly Bang, brother.
Brother. You tell us. You know, say, if I find out, say, that boy that directly involved, me a gonna make quick plus in jelly.
No, Dada man, no, brother. Dada, that sound like something what me would have said, brother. Remember, you always tell we said don't act after emotions, you know, brother. The first emotion is always the wrong emotion. Remember, King tell with them something, brother.
I real talking, brother. But them politician boy, you get away with too much things now, fam.
Hear the quote. See it? Just make quick. Make quick, find skilly.
You know that not gonna work, fam. Remember, we not send out quick for look for nobody, you know. We send out quick for search and destroy.
Yeah, man, that's true. My boss kill it, true. If it no true, that's
Exactly. But what if on my agenda right now still, brother? I have to send quick for the boy them with a lay weight, yo.
Alright, yeah, but make him know that it have to be clean, you know. Nothing can trace back to we at all. You see me?
You know that. I'm like, you don't remember when disconnect Bluetooth.
Alright then, my father. You and I know, you know. Just go on and suck them what's said. And keep me posted at all time. You see my father? You want to go down here, you come here and little thing up on the line to go show off, you know. You know the code. So.
Brother. Where you all going? Watch your back, you know. I don't know if them boy they have no link up there in a family.
The Brother, come on, man. You know, say me no run joke with my 3 pints, my father, man. You know, say from me reach for the ground, man, that have to start out, man. You know, say anywhere we go, and we cover that proper. So yeah, man, father, I'm there, shut up something, so just go and do your business, hear that? And look out for something in the evening, yeah?
Up full, bro. Look like the done, I forgot get dark again.